Good morning, everyone. My name is Ms. Ayat Rabaiah. I'm your math teacher. Today I'm gonna give you summary about geometry. We need some tools in the next lessons. So here revision. Now look, to work out the area and circumference of a circle. Here we are talking about circle. Now this is the circle. This is the center. So this distance, we call this distance between the center and any point on the circumference, the radius, and this distance, this is distance diameter. So your diameter is a double of radius, or the radius is a half of diameter. Now the area for the circle by r squared, which is 3.14 times r times r. R squared, it means r times r, and you have to know that pi equals 3.14. Now the circumference, if you know the diameter, the circumference is pi times d, pi times the diameter, 3.14 times the diameter. Or if you know the radius, 2 pi r. Here if you substitute the diameter by 2r, we will get that the circumference is 2 pi r. This is for the circle. Now this is a semicircle. If you want to find the area of the semicircle, here this area you can find the full area, then divide it by 2. Now for the triangle, here we have, let's say this is the height, this is the base, so the area equals half times base times height. The height always perpendicular to the base, it means intersects the base by 90 degrees. Now for parallelogram, if you have parallelogram, this is the base, it means these two sides are equal and parallel, and this is the height, this is the height. So here the area equals base times height. Now for trapezium, to work out the area of trapezium, this is trapezium. This is the height, and this is the first base A, this is the second base B. Now trapezium, it means has one parallel side. Now here the area equals half times A plus B, you have to add these bases, A plus B times the height. First of all, you have to add with mass, remember, with mass, brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So you have to add the bases, then times the half, then times the height. Now for rectangle, I think it's easy for the rectangle. This is rectangle, this is length, this is width. Area equals length times width. Now inshallah in the next lessons you will also solve problems involving circumference. This is the circumference of the circle, this the length of this side, and area of circles, as well as working with right angled prisms and cylinders. Now we'll learn inshallah how we can find the volume of prisms and cylinders. This is cylinder, you know that this is cylinder. Okay, so inshallah tomorrow you will take 15.3 solving circle problems. Then 15.4, calculating with prisms and cylinders. Um, Prism is a 3D shape that has the same cross section along its length. Here we have um, okay, now inshallah in 15.4 we learn how we can find the volume for the prisms and the surface area. You know the meaning of surface area, it means you have to find the area of all the faces and you have to add then the total, the area of the faces. Inshallah, and we will take how we can find the volume and the surface area for the cylinder. Thank you so much and have a nice day.